BAYKA French Press Coffee Maker, stainless steel 21 ounces double wall metal insulated coffee tea makers with 4-level filtration system, rust-free, dishwasher safe. Say no to cheaply made French press. Are you tired of unhealthy plastics, inferior metal flavor, dealing with broken glass and losing heat? Stainless steel is the way to go. Our French press is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel to be drop-proof and rust-proof. Available in 3 sizes, 21 ounces, 34 ounces, and 50 ounces, in order to cater to families of different sizes. Enjoy unmatched freshness. BAYKA 21 ounces French press makes freshest coffee every time, without wasting expensive beans. The portable design is perfect for travel, camping, adventures or work. Make yourself a smooth, rich cup of coffee at home or while on the go. Hold heat in, double-walled and vacuum-sealed design keeps the outside cool, but the coffee remains hot. Keep your coffee warm up to 3 hours. Take your time and savor every delicious sip. The coffee will still be hot when you are ready for a refill. Well-built coffee press, a U-shaped spout allows coffee to flow smoothly without dripping onto your table. A spout marker added on the lid helps you accurately pinpoint the pour spout. And the inside marker will take your brewing and hosting skills to the next level. Innovative 4-level filtration systems. Poorly made filters often break and result in a mug of coffee filled with grounds. To provide you with a cup of coffee like those made by professional baristas, our double high-quality stainless steel filters are strong enough to ensure the grounds doesn't get into your cup and make delicious, smooth, full-flavor coffee. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.